Running a business? Managing a company? One unexpected claim can change everything. A defective product, an unhappy customer, an accidental fire at your premises, any of these can lead to lawsuits, losses, and reputational damage. But with liability insurance from ICICI Lombard, you can focus on growing your business, knowing that we've got your back when things go wrong. Let's see how it works. Simply put, liability insurance protects you when someone sues you. It covers bodily injury claims if someone gets injured at your workplace or due to your products. Property damage claims if your business activities cause damage to someone's property. Financial losses if your services cause economic harm to others. It's not about if you'll ever face a claim, it's about being prepared when it happens. Here are real world examples where liability insurance saves businesses. Product liability: a manufacturer is sued because their product caused an injury. Fire in a business premises: a restaurant's fire spreads to nearby shops, leading to legal claims. Customer injury: a customer slips and falls inside a mall and files a claim. Errors and omissions: an IT firm is sued because a software glitch caused a client's losses. Cyber breach: a hacker steals customer data, and lawsuits follow. Without insurance, these cases could cost millions. But with ICICI Lombard's liability insurance, you can stay protected. Different businesses have different risks, so we offer general liability insurance for bodily injury, property damage, and legal costs. Product liability insurance: protection against bodily injury, property damage claims arising from defective products. Directors and officers (D&O) insurance covers executives against lawsuits for decisions made on behalf of the company. Cyber liability insurance for data breaches, hacking incidents, and cyber attacks. Professional indemnity insurance protects consultants, IT firms, and professionals against negligence claims. No matter your industry, we have a policy designed for you. Still wondering if you need liability insurance? Here's why it's essential for every business. Legal costs are high, even a small claim can cost lakhs in legal fees. Trust and credibility: clients and investors prefer businesses with coverage. Peace of mind: focus on growth while we handle unexpected risks. Think of it as a safety net for your business, it protects your business and reputation. We know that dealing with claims can be stressful. That's why we ensure fast settlement process so your business isn't disrupted. Transparent process: no hidden conditions, just clear coverage. Dedicated support: our experts help you through every step. One lawsuit can set you back years, but the right insurance policy can save your business. Call your agent now or visit our website www.icicilombard.com to get a liability insurance policy. With ICICI Lombard, your business stays safe no matter what comes your way.